Mind my ass, it's scruffy. I've took the backs of these exo terras off. Look how thick they are. Don't leave much room. I've took it off and made my own up. Just like with PVA glue and just stuck it on back, look. There's way more room. I did warm me yesterday and I like the look of that. She's got a new bowl as well. A big one. Heat mats on. Just needs its probes popping in top when I can afford them. Might do the same to him because I gave him more room as well. Stop him falling so much. And I've just done it with my other bird eater. Stuck. He's down there for a bit out road, Sid. My other bird eater, massive hole. And I did the same at the back of there. I to make that thing, but this time I just used dry husk on it. Yeah. Anyway, she's in here. A right nasty git when I got her out. Him out, or wherever he is. Asleep now. Good time to pop him back in. They're a lovely colour. You can see him out. That's the thing with him though, you poke him once and he's right nasty. And on the other one here, I got my bottle and I poked him and he ran across it and ran here up to the side and put his mouth out and attacked the bottle. I shit myself. And I don't like working with him as an arsehole. No problem. He attacks you, but you know it's coming. Him just But look at that. That's well better. As I made that background up, stick it on back. I don't stick it in the tank, I just place it on back. You have to cut bits off everything to get everything in. You can't just pop out in. Like with these, you've got a burrowing spider, it burrows at the bottom of them. You have to put canes on top, stop crickets getting on. Just painting backside, just loads better now. Anyway, there's me talking and he could, I can't record at the same time. Yeah, I can. See how it goes. That would it. Oh, it's getting nasty again because he's been woke up. That's what I mean. I'm going to have to stop this video. I can't do everything. I need to put the lid on, I think. Like I say, last time he ran out, so I'm not risking it. Get head ears. Ah. Oh well.